The beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated, "Imla'ul khayri khayrun min as-sukut, was-sukutu khayrun min imla'ish sharr." That is, to speak of the good is better than keeping silent, and keeping silent is better than speaking ill. Sayyidina Ali bin Uthman Hajwari, famously known as Data Ganj Bakhsh, rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, has written in his famous book Kashful Mahjoob that speech is of two kinds. One is truthful speaking and the other is false speaking. And similarly, silence is of two kinds. Purposeful silence, for example, keeping silence due to contemplation and thinking and fikr in matters of the hereafter or Islamic rulings, etc. And heedless silence, silence filled with dirty thoughts or worldly motives and notions. Everybody, whilst in the state of silence, should ponder, do fikr and ponder, contemplate carefully that if speaking for him is virtuous, then speaking is better for him than silence. And if speaking for him is sinful, then silence is better for him than talking. Sayyidina Dada Ganj Bakhsh rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi mentioned a parable for explaining uses and abuses of conversations. He said, once Sayyidina Abu Bakr Shibli Baghdadi alayhi rahmatullahi al-hadi was passing an area of Baghdad, and he heard a person saying, "As-sukutu khayrun min al-kalam." Silence is better than speaking. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, "Your silence is better for you than speaking, and for me, speaking is better than silence." Subhanallah. How fortunate are those Islamic brothers and sisters who use their tongues in only moral conversations and who impart the invitation of goodness to the people. Unfortunately, nowadays it is very rare to find get-togethers free from obscene conversations, even to the extent that those with an outward religious appearance are not able to save themselves from this as well.